Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Facebook post add music option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, search or find out Facebook app, click on Facebook, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Facebook. Update Facebook app if available on Play Store. Now go to Facebook. Now add music option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.